This is a typical electrical power system installation diagram. So you see this diagram here. This is a load instrument. We install the circuit breaker, CTPT, and also the leakage protection, all the arrangement you can see. And also that this is the common bus bar. This will be the main bus bar. Also the voltmeter, ammeter. So from the main bus bar, the wire coming out, they connected to the delta stars transformer. Also, this is also that we also connected the such divider for the protection. So this is for the typical power flow diagram. So in this case, here will be the relay. This is the connection of the three-phase system. Three-phase system, there will be the differential relay connection. Three-phase differential relay connections are details circuit diagram. This is for the differential relay detailed circuit diagram.